recharge. So to recharge, you come to your home page, then you click on the recharge icon here. So you click on this recharge icon. So immediately you click on recharge icon, then you input the amount of money you want to deposit. You understand? Let's if you want to deposit 5k, you click on 5k, and let's say you want to deposit 6k, you just type in 6,000 naira, then you click on recharge now. So when you click on recharge now, the deposit page will open for you, understand? Then you proceed to make deposit. So after making deposit, if your deposit reflects, when you want to check if your deposit reflect, then just click on this thing here, this me here. You click on it and your balance will appear here. You understand? Your balance will appear here. So now after making deposit, now let me teach you guys how to pick a signal from their Telegram group. So first of all, join their signal group through this icon here. This icon that is saying signal group, you click on it. Then you click on signal group also. You click on this signal group to join their Telegram signal group. You understand? You click on it. So now after joining their signal group, this is where you will get your daily signal from. They normally drop two signals per day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. You understand? So now just look for the recent signal. This is the recent signal that they drop. This is their recent signal. So now to pick this trade, well, let me say to pick this signal, to use this signal to bet. You understand? Just copy this, or let me say take note of these three things: the game ID, the percentage, and the score. So now look at the game ID is 22120, right? The score, they said we should pick 32, and the percentage is 1.35%. So now this is the game ID, the match ID 22120. So go to your home page. So when you go to your home page, you click on match. Click on match here. So when you click on match, then search for the match ID here. Search for the match ID here. 22120, right? So this is the game. Now go back to the Telegram channel. Check the game to confirm it. Hey, half naf, right? Half naf. So you can see it here, half naf, right? Then the score. They said we should pick 3-2. The signal says we should pick 3-2, and the percentage is 1.35%. So now you go back to your home page. You click on the game, then you look for the score 3-2. 3-2, right? You can see it's 3-2 and the percentage is 1.35%. Make sure you are on the correct signal. So you click on this one, 3.32, which is 1.35%. You click on it. So when you click on it, just input all of your balance. Click on this all. Click on all, then click on bet now. So I've already used my balance to bet. So immediately you click on bet now, it will be successful, and it will normally automatically take you to these orders. So you can see your orders here. You can see the trade I placed before, or the bet I placed before. I used 44,000 naira, and I'm getting back 42,000. So my capital and profit is returning back to my account. I can decide to continue to follow their signal. And I can decide to withdraw my money, my capital and profit all. You understand? So that is how this app works.